Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I've posted. Basically, from the last update, I have sold the Lincoln MKC 2010. Was able to even out, so didn't even make a profit on that one. I think the problem was me posting during January. Beginning of the year, where people are on vacation and coming back from spending a lot of money, so basically it didn't really go as planned, but that's okay. At least it wasn't a loss. Anyway, so behind me is the new project, and yes, this is my own project, where I sold a Nissan Altima. I don't know if you guys got to see my old videos. I was driving 2015 Nissan Altima, sold it, got a new vehicle, 2015 WRX. So basically sold the Altima and the Lincoln same time and picked up this one. Am I going to resell this one? Most likely, but I'm gonna have a little bit of fun with it. It has this one is 2017 Subaru WRX with 110,000 miles, yeah, I mean, it's so far so good, no issues. The plan for this one is to modify it as much as possible. As you know, Subaru WRX get modified a lot. I'm gonna currently it's in stock, complete stock, and I have an update on or a guide on the. Let me bring it down to you. The J pipe, and yes, it was a nightmare. Let me actually get the lighting for you as well. It literally was a nightmare. I've done engines, as you know, and probably I would say no job has been this much difficult for me by far. It's not even close. So let me turn this around. So yeah, it was so painful. What I do want to say is give you something what I've learned from it, and that is plan accordingly. Do not rush into it. I basically was excited, I think, and a job that should have taken an hour. It took a day and a half, and I was constantly about 10 hours on it. I wanted to get it done and start driving again, but unfortunately, it's still up in the air, as you can see. So anyway, what are the lessons? Let's hash it out. Lesson number 1. Liquid wrench, PB Blaster or WD-40, whatever is your favorite. I've heard in many videos that liquid wrench is highest in breaking those bowls. Sprayed day before, at least 24 hours to 30 hours before. Let it soak. Lesson number 2, have a torch ready. Lesson number 3, use breaker bar. Lesson number 4, basically take your time. Do not rush into things. Take your time. Work smart, not hard. I'm adding a J pipe, as you can see. I don't know if you could see it right there. Turbo XS J pipe. I'm adding that one. Remove that one right there, and adding that one. It's ready to go on. These studs have been a nightmare, I would say. The the studs are, the top two are still there. The bottom two have been removed. They just came out with the nut. I think I'm gonna remove the studs too, the top two. I let it soak after I removed it yesterday. Yeah, basically you have two people when you're reinstalling to make sure that it doesn't fall on you. If you're doing one person, I would say, you know, remove one piece at a time. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna start posting more videos on the Subi, that's what they call it nowadays. Super WRX, types of modifications I'm gonna do on it. Like I said, it will be for resale, but I'm gonna have fun with it. Enjoy it while I have it. I did get the Accessport Cobb V3 Accessport, and I got the Turbo XS J pipe, and then I got the invidia exhaust. As you can see here, that's the one that's going on, and this is the one that came off. So I will be installing that. It's the Q300, a little bit louder. I'm a little bit older now, so I don't like, you know, while I'm coming out at 12 a.m. my neighbor's hearing me and say, what the heck is that noise? So yeah, I did get a short shifter for the vehicle. I will be adding that piece as well. Go back around from this point, take this piece off, this console center piece, and then you should be able to unloose this. I may have another video on that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you again.